Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dayana Batrisyia Binti Dino Mazali. I am from group PEC 22182 and today I will be presenting my experiment video for illumination for my practical test 1 for subject CEM 472 or also known as Mechanical and Electrical Engineering. Now I will be starting the experiment in this guest dining room area. This guest dining room, as you can see, is attached to the living room and has a lot of natural light pouring in. The natural light comes from as you can see, the sliding door, the window, the sliding door, and the main door. And for the artificial light, in this area you can see that there are 4 downlight in each corner of this guest dining room, and this downlight has a is a light emitting diode, or commonly known as LED type of bulb. For this experiment, I am using my phone to measure the light reading, and I am using an app called Lux Lux Light Meter. And in this app, we have 2 units: Lux Meter and Foot Candle. Which is said both is a unit of illumination. And to use this app, you have to put your phone facing the light or the illumination, because our phone screen has a sensor to detect any illumination or any light. And as an example, at this point we have 100, we have to reset it, and at this point we have 179 lux meter. And for this experiment, I am using a 1 meter ruler to measure the point. And as you can see here, starting from this point, I have marked point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4, point 5, and point 6 to measure the lux meter. And each point is 1 meter apart from each other. And for measuring the lux meter, I will measuring it 1 meter above from the ground. So right now we'll be starting at point 1. Point 1, as you can see, is 193 lux meter. And now we'll be measuring at point 2. Point 2 is 242 lux meter. Moving on, we'll be going to point 3, which is 237 lux meter. At point 4, point 4, it is 196 meter. And now for the second last point, which is point 5, it is 119, it is 188 lux meter. And at the last one, which is point 6, it is at 203 lux meter. After we have got the lux meter reading from the 6 point, I then can count the average value and conclude that the result of this experiment, or the lighting in this area, is only at moderate level. So to visualize it better, I have drawn a contour here, and as you can see here, the green area means a good lighting, while the yellow area means a moderate lighting, and the red means a bad lighting. For that, from this contour, I can conclude that this dining area is this dining area lighting is only at moderate level, because from this contour you can see that there is only a small area of green or good lighting, and there is a lot of bad or moderate lighting. There are a few reasons why our dining room has moderate lighting. I think one of the factors is the weather, because during the experiment the weather is quite cloudy, or perhaps the app is not accurate enough because I am just using the phone, not the right tools, which is the light reading lux meter reader. And also from this experiment, I have noticed that there are a few things to add so that this dining room can be a brighter study space. First of all, it is because this dining room has no light in the middle. There are only one light in each corner of this room. So to make it brighter while studying, we can add some study light beside each studying person, meaning when someone is studying here in this dining room, they can put a study light beside them so that they can do their work better. And that will be the end of my video and my experiment. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.
Hey Jimmy, you nice, keep going.